Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install the Lumion Lime Exporter. First download the LM exporter from the official website and try to install it. I have already installed mine. Once the installation is done, you are ready to go. First we will start with the basics. Applying materials to each objects in 3ds Max, and let's export the scene manually in FBX format. Once that done, we'll open Lumion to check if the objects brought their shiny new materials along for the ride. But here is the catch. The materials are missing. Yep, they're gone. You would think they would carry over, but instead, we are stuck applying them one by one. Well, hold on, because there's a better way to fix this. Next up, we will try using the Lumion Exporter, a much more streamlined approach. You get two options here. Either select the specified objects or export the entire scene. I'm going to choose the same objects we exported earlier. Once the objects are selected, all you have to do is save them to a specified folder and hit export. After a successful export, let's head back into Lumion, import the saved file. This time, the objects come with their applied materials intact. No more manually applying textures one by one. Isn't it that a huge time saver? It's easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. And if you have got any questions or suggestions, drop them into the comment box below.